Hello. I'm gonna pause my writing for a while and let's talk about our souls first. Okay? We seldom talk about our soul. In fact, we don't like talking about our soul. I think we may have neglected a big part of our whole being, and it appears that we are not comfortable talking about our soul. Para bang pinag-uusapan lang ang soul pagka malapit na mamatay or talagang wala na dito, right? Parang may fear tayo pag-usapan ng soul because meron tayong attachment sa buhay. And pag sinabing soul, parang ang feeling natin para siya sa mga wala na sa physical, right? But but the truth is, our soul is our reality. Okay? Our true being is our soul. The flesh or the physical is only a temporary form. Okay? Yung soul natin, kaya natin ito dinidiscuss ngayon, right? Di ba kasi I've been telling you that I will guide souls in healing their energy so that they can raise their energy, ascend back to their divine frequency, be one again with our source, right? But before we can do that, we really have to understand that we are souls or energies, and yun talaga yung totoong yun talaga ang totoong makeup natin. Being a human is just a temporary experience. Okay? Itong flesh na to, ano lang to, yung mga kinain natin, we have interwoven it with our soul to form a physical so that we can move in this we can move and experience this physical realm. Okay? So hindi dapat ma-neglect yung soul kasi siya nga yung talagang main event. Siya nga yung focal force. Siya nga yung pinaka main actor. Itong mga flesh na to, parang costume lang. Okay? Now, kaya lang 'di ba tayong mga tao out of sight, out of mind. Hindi natin nakikita, hindi natin napapansin. Hindi natin napagtutuunan ng attention pagka hindi natin nakikita. And so, ang nangyayari unfortunately is we tend to neglect our soul, samantalang it is our soul that will dictate on the quality of our human experience. Kumbaga, depende sa condition or state ng soul natin yung kalalabasan na ganda or hindi magandang human experience natin. Kung maganda yung quality ng soul natin, ang human experience din natin maganda. Kung medyo mababa or dim yung light ng soul natin, medyo troubled ang ating human experience, because the physical just follows the patterns in our soul. Okay? Speaking of patterns, yes, yung soul natin, yan ay energy, parang kuryente, and in that force, in that energy, meron siyang mga patterns. Yung mga patterns na yan ang sinusunod ng physical sa itsura at behavior. Okay? Now, para siyang bumubuo tayo ng kotse na automated ang paggawa. Okay? Hindi, yung computerized na ang paggawa. So, yung i-encode sa computer, yung mga steps ng paggawa, and then the machine moves according to the steps. Kung ginagalaw niya yung mga parts, pinagdidikit-dikit niya, pinagkakabit-kabit niya yung mga parts according to doon sa mga steps or pattern na naka-encode doon sa machine na yon. Okay? So, ganun din tayo. we are an invisible force, pero sa invisible force na yon may mga naka-encode na patterns. At yung patterns na yon, yun ang bumubuo sa magiging itsura natin at sa pagkilos natin or behavior. Okay? Now, so, meron tayong tinatawag na natural patterns, nandun yung talaga dapat para mabuo tayo as a human being. And then, we also have unnatural patterns. Okay? Ano yung mga unnatural patterns na yan? Okay? Sorry ang gulo ng buko. Okay. Yung natural patterns, okay, natural yan na meron tayong ganito itsura ng isang tao. Yan, may ulo, may katawan, may kamay, may paa, everything, okay? Merong natural patterns sa behavior. Kung girl ka, you're feminine, okay? There's a certain behavior para sa feminine. There's a certain behavior para sa masculine. There's a certain behavior pag bata ka pa or adult ka na, okay? There's a certain behavior na you're able to create because you come from a source creator. Okay? Now, in our human experience, meron man tayong tinatawag na unnatural patterns. Yan yung mga patterns na nailalagay natin unknowingly sa soul natin because of our experiences. So, halimbawa, bata pa tayo, unfortunately, ang ating parent, meron tayong parent o meron tayong caregiver na medyo ang way of bringing up yung kanyang offspring ay through pamamalo, okay? Pananakit ng anak niya. And so early on, bata pa tayo, nakadevelop tayo tuloy ng pattern ng fear sa energy natin. Na makita pa lang natin yung stick, makita pa lang natin yung parent, makita pa lang natin ang authority figure, parang inineembros na tayo, napipilitan tayong magtago, hindi kumibo. We cannot move out of fear dahil na bata pa tayo, nabuo sa atin yung pattern of fear because of the pain na in-inflict sa atin ng magulang o caregiver natin nung bata tayo. Okay? So, that's an example of an unnatural pattern. Hindi siya dapat nandun because our energy should be in alignment with the energy of our source, which is the energy of love or the energy of creation. Energy of fear, like sabi ko nga kanina, pag nandun tayo, hindi tayo halos makakilos. Mas gusto nating magtago lang, tumahimik lang, hindi kumibo, hindi mag-create. And that is not our purpose for being in this human experience. We are here to co-create this physical world with our Creator. Okay? So,